What's up, YouTube? Today I'm in the 24 Civic Si, and I am in a back roads, taking you guys with me, see how she performs, and just have some fun with me today. Stay tuned and stick with me until we get there. Alright guys, pretty much at the spot. Let me just see, I'm pretty sure this is it from what I can remember. Okay, that was better. Cleaner for sure. Now let's just do one more downhill and get out of here. Better. So that was just my quick little Sunday drive, taking the SI to a road I remember driving by. Super beautiful out here. It makes me actually appreciate the earth, just seeing how it is. And you actually get away from the city and you start just driving and seeing these open roads and the open skies like this. It really just, you know, open your mind. As of right now, I'm really just enjoying life of where I'm at right now, taking every day, day by day. And I'm just kind of showing you guys a little part of it. Even just seeing this rose and the symmetry and stuff, and just seeing the silhouette of this car just bring some type of peace and happiness to me. I really do hope you guys are enjoying, you know, what I've been doing, learning the car more, having fundamentals and techniques while I'm driving, and just taking you guys along with me through the journey. I know there's some of you guys who are already subscribed who know who I am and how I drive and what I love to do, and that's probably why you guys are subscribed. To anyone new who's watching, I do appreciate you guys watching to the end, and if you guys do like or want to see any more of this, subscribing, liking the video, and commenting does help. I'm just trying to keep this dream of mine moving forward. Just kind of thanking the skies that every day, I don't know how it happens, but that I'm living a beautiful life like I do consistently and healthy. Just remember that it could be worse, it could be better. but we're only here once, so enjoy it. But anyways, guys, as always, thank you for you guys who watched to the end. I really do appreciate you guys, and until next time, peace out.